Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about wearing one suit 4 different ways. All right guys, so I've been gone for a little bit. I've been traveling, but now I'm back full force. I'm gonna be talking all about fashion, okay? And today's topic is gonna be wearing one suit 4 different ways. So now, I know we always talk about like reusing your outfits, wearing it multiple times, just getting the most bang for your buck. But it's actually kind of hard to do, It is very, very difficult. And then I get a lot of emails asking me like, how do I invest in a suit to make it like last? How do I invest in a suit to make it like worth, again, your money? Well, today, instead of actually wearing a blue or a gray suit, I went with a super bold suit, 3-piece, like a statement suit, but I'm gonna wear it 4 different ways, okay? 4 ways. And before I talk further, I just wanna say that this video is no way near sponsored. So this is hashtag not sponsored, all right guys? Hashtag not sponsored. This is something that I wanted to do for you guys. You guys have been asking for it in the comment section, and I figured, why not start now? So the first and most obvious way to wear a suit is the way it's designed, okay? A full suit. Whether it's a 2-piece or a 3-piece, that's the easiest way, simplest way, get it done. So today I'm wearing this suit right here, which is by Indochino. I think I got it on sale for $399 or $299. It's when the Black Friday sale was going on. So I purchased it then, I got it made. It takes about 3 weeks to get made. But guys, I've been loving it. It's very modern, very sleek, form-fitting. Like the thing about them is that they're made to measure. So every suit is made to measure. It's freaking awesome. If you have a chance to get a made to measure suit, highly, highly recommend it. I mean, nowadays you can even get suits that are off the rack that are about 400 bucks, which is kind of expensive. You can go to like H&M and get a suit for $100. Zara, you can get one for like $250. So might as well invest in something that's made for you and go with like an Indochino suit. All right guys, so that is the first and the easiest way to wear the suit. Simple, you can wear it with or without a tie. You can make them look multiple different ways just by simply changing the tie, the shirt, the cufflinks, the watch, whatever. Now on to the second way to wear a suit, 4 different ways, okay? Second way is simply just use the jacket. So for instance, today I would typically just wear this jacket, which is very bold, with blue trousers, white shirt, and then just some regular brogues, okay? Very, very easy. And it is bold again, but this is a suit that I'm gonna break apart and show you how to wear multiple ways. So simple way would be blue trousers, white shirt, and then just the actual jacket, okay? Simple. Blue trousers, white shirt, and the jacket. Now the third way I would break apart this suit right here would simply be with the vest. So I would ditch the jacket, I would ditch the trousers, put on denim, wear maybe like a blue button-up shirt with or without the tie, roll up the sleeves, throw the vest on, and make it very like weekend, kind of Friday night where you want to dress up, but you don't want to get too dressed up. Easy. You can even throw it on with sneakers. You can wear it with loafers. You can make it super, super casual. Always change the accessories, make it very personal, make it your own, but it's an easy way to get it done. And the vest is a statement in its own, so it'll look pretty badass. Now the 4th way, guys, this is like the easiest way. It's like come on, it's a no-brainer. It's just wear the trousers. I mean, if you go to your local like J. Crew, H&M, you go to like Zara, they always have like trousers, bold trousers. So this suit is actually very bold. Again, I keep saying bold because I want to show you that you can use a bold suit multiple times. So simply throw on the trousers. You could do it with a turtleneck. You could do it with a sweater. You can do it with a cardigan, maybe a t-shirt, dress shirt, however you want to do it. It's very easy. Just make the plunge and rock it, guys, all right? All right, guys, so that was wearing one suit 4 different ways. I mean, even with my look right now, it's very casual. I rolled the sleeves, took off the jacket, kind of undid my tie, threw on some denim. I mean, with this look, I can go to the bar, I can go hang out with friends, I can be very, very chill. However you want to do it, there is no set rules, guys. So just make sure that if you are pairing them, like the fabrics do kind of blend in, denim with like a nice cotton, denim with a nice wool. You can do it with a linen. Just make sure it's not too, I guess, textured-y, because then it's just gonna look like it doesn't fit. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We've passed our 75K goal. Now we're going to 100K. So help us get to 100K, guys. And thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks, guys.